Assembly instructions for floor-mounted units from NorthPoint closets. Before installation, ensure all the connectors are locked in place. Push the connector into the housing until panels are flush. Make sure there is no gap between the panels. To disassemble, slide the panel with the connector back, then pull the panels apart. First, secure the fixed shelves. Secure the support rail to the fixed shelf using wooden dowels. Repeat this step as needed for all fixed shelves included with the unit. Note: floor-mounted hanging units do not include a fixed middle shelf. Instead, they are equipped with a middle support rail. Position the left or right side panel flat on the ground with the female housings facing upward. You may snap the bottom shelf into the side panel to secure the toe kick and I-beam to the shelf with wooden dowels. You'll secure the fixed shelves by aligning the male connectors to the support rail and the male connectors of the fixed shelf with the corresponding female housings on the side panel. Snap the connectors securely into place. Repeat this process for the middle fixed shelf if applicable. Take the opposite side panel and align the female housings with the male connectors on the support rail and the fixed shelf. Once properly aligned, snap the side panel securely into place. Once assembled, gently lay the unit on its back so the front is facing up. Then carefully lift it so it is standing upright. Place the adjustable shelves where desired using the shelf pins to hold it in place.